I spent 17 years in the field and a good chunk of time before that working as a nuclear power electrician. When I'm looking at a mini split, I'm not just looking at the white plastic box on the wall. I'm looking at the electrical footprint and the durability of the outdoor guts. Today, we're putting two basic tier heavyweights in the ring: the Friedrich Floating Air Select versus the Klimaire KIWE-KOIE. When it comes to the build, I start at the coil. The Friedrich Floating Air Select uses a coated coil designed to fight off the corrosion that kills most units in high humidity areas. The Klimaire KIWE-KOIE also features a golden fin anti-corrosive coating on the outdoor coil. In the field, this is the difference between a unit lasting 12 years or leaking refrigerant in 5. On the tech side, we're looking at inverter-driven compressors. From an electrician's perspective, these are a dream because they eliminate the massive inrush current you get with old school units. The Friedrich Select series hits an 18 CR2 rating for its 12,000 BTU model. The Klimaire KIWE-KOIE is a bit of a moving target, but generally lands in the standard performance level with ratings up to 17 CR2. While the Klimaire is efficient, the Friedrich gives you a slight edge in electrical savings over the long haul. Let's talk price, because that's usually where the decision gets made. For a 12,000 BTU single zone setup, the Friedrich equipment indoor and outdoor typically retails around $1,489. The Klimaire KIWE-KOIE series is significantly more aggressive, often found as a full kit for roughly $700 to $900. When you add professional labor, a Friedrich install usually lands between $3,500 and $5,000, whereas the Klimaire might save you nearly $1,000 on the total project. Now, maintenance is the midpoint must know. If you don't pull those filters and wash them every month, you're making that compressor work twice as hard, which eats up all that CR2 efficiency you just paid for. The warranty battle is where things get interesting. Friedrich offers a standard 5-year parts and 5-year compressor warranty on the Select series. Klimaire actually steps up here, offering a 5-year parts warranty and a 7-year compressor warranty. That extra 2 years on the most expensive part of the system is a big deal for your peace of mind. The verdict? I'm going with the Klimaire KIWE-KOIE for the win. In the basic category, the homeowner is looking for the best bang for their buck. Klimaire gives you a coated coil, a longer compressor warranty, and built-in Wi-Fi, all while keeping the equipment cost nearly 40% lower than the Friedrich. For a budget-friendly install that doesn't skip on protection, it's the smarter move for your bottom line. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool linked in the description. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the link in the description or the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.